how to save ChatGPT conversation as PDF. Want to keep your ChatGPT chats forever? Let's see how to save them as a PDF. So on desktop, what you can do is to go ahead and head over into that conversation and then click on the Control P on your keyboard. So once you click on it, this would pop up on your screen. So from here, go ahead and select Save as PDF and then set the pages to all and then set the layout and then click on Save. Another thing you can do is to go ahead and download an extension. So on a new tab, go ahead and search for Chrome Web Store, and then on the Chrome Web Store, go ahead and search for Go Full Page. So go ahead and search for that and then open that and then install the extension. So click on this Add to Chrome button to install it. This will allow you to neatly capture the entire chat. And lastly is to use third-party tools. So tools like Ask Your PDF let you upload and export conversation with cleaner formatting. So print to PDF is fastest, extensions preserve layout, and data export archives everything. And that's how to use ChatGPT conversations as PDF.